crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina and I love to paper craft as well as to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching paper crafting projects, tutorials, craft supplies hauls, how to organize your craft room, well, guess what? This is your channel, so don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I am going to show you my first junk journal. Yes, I participated in a Paradise swap hosted by Cat Paper Love in Instagram. And I am going to go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch my first junk journal. So I am here with my first junk journal. I made this junk journal in a swap hosted by Cat Paper Love in Instagram. And yeah, I watched so many videos on how to put a junk journal. So I'm going to do a flip through because this junk journal is going to go to a swapping partner, Lisa. And let's go ahead. So what I did, the cover I used really thick cardboard, and then I cover it with specialty paper. This specialty paper, I got it at a stamp and scrap art show. And this paper, I bought this paper from Hobby Lobby. I had a haul when I went to Upstate New York, Hobby Lobby, and it's from the paper studio, and at that time they had like 50% off, and look at this. So I used the one that was foiled in pink. Let me see. I use this one. It comes like 3. So, and then this other paper, I also use one of my loose stash papers that I had. And then on the front, I have these 2 journaling cards or Project Life cards, a sticker. I'm going to come closer from Bo Bunny, and another sticker like a flamingo. So when I open this up, I created 3 signatures, you can see, and I bind them. As you can see, I cover a little bit the binding wax thread, and let's go ahead. So on the inside cover, I created like a sleeve, like a pocket sleeve, and I included these kind of like a library card. And then I also purchased some digitals in Etsy, and I will leave the link of the digitals in the description box below. And the junk journal theme was Paradise, tropical. So I just love this journaling card that came from that digital print. And for the paper, so I used 2 combinations of paper pad. I used this one from Paper House called Surf and Sand, and this other one from Recollections Gateway, because it had all the tropical kind of beachy theme. So I used the flamingo from the Recollections. I stitched some trim here. This is one of the digitals. And as I said, this was my first junk journal, so I'm still learning how to put things together, how to make pockets, tuck spots, etc. So I truly have a lot of fun doing this. So here I created a pocket with a card, those summer days. This is very cute. Then I put these other, I had like a really old book, so it has warming up in a hurry. And then what I did was I pre-made, I stencil and ink few regular 8.5 by 11 pages. And this is another piece from the recollections. More pockets, some journaling cards. And then look at this. I just love the digital prints, and I stitched this flamingo trim. I created like a band here, and I put girls just want to have fun. More. And I created here a tuck spot. I got this, it's like a postcard from Studio Calico. Love that brand. And this is one of the girls. I was in the swap last year, and this lady, she gave me like a couple of these girls. I don't know where she got them. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give one away. So I cannot be hoarding all these girls. So I hope she likes it. And then this is crepe paper, vellum, doily. This paper, I had it, it's a Korean paper. A friend of mine, oh my God, I would say more than 12 years ago, she went to Korea, South Korea, stayed there like 3 months, and she brought me tons of papers like to do origami and all that. So, and this other one, I used some stickies and a tag, more tuck spots. This is from the Happy Planner. Look at these. I bought these Etsy shops. They had these gorgeous kind of junk journal ephemera. Oh, I just went crazy. It was so beautiful. Here's like blank pages so she can write. And here's another one. Hello, beautiful. More blank pages. Some that I stenciled. Here's another band with some stickies and some cards, you know, here. Finding paradise wherever I go, and I just love the concept. So this is the end of the first signature. So the second signature is this one. It's just so cute. On the birdie, did a pocket, a card. As you can see, I didn't stitch too much because I didn't want it to be too stitchy. So I glue things. I added some bags that I received in previous swaps. You know, another tuck spot. And look at these journaling cards. I will definitely leave the link of the Etsy shop in the description box below. And I'm sorry, but there is a dog on the other side. One of my neighbors is barking and barking and barking all night, so I don't know. So please bear with me on that. And here is a vellum pocket, which an acetate sheet, and I put this one in, clip it in a really cute paper clip with a little tassel. This one looks like a tuck. More, and I love these. This is one of the tags that I got at the vintage market in Pittsburgh. I have a video if you are interested in see the kind of tags that I got at that. I will leave the link of the video in the description box below. I staple a tag. This is the continuation of the bags. Put more journaling or project life cards. Left this one in blank so she can write. She can write. This one. Oops. I'm damaging this one. Not good. And it's a pocket so she can even put pictures or photos or anything. And yes, I stamp here wonderful memories. So I think it turned out really cute. And this is also the digital smile sparkle. This is one of the confetti and taggies. think it went along with the theme. More tuck spots. And then this one, I think I posted this in Instagram. A pocket full of cards. And as you can see, I used the bow from Paper Cherries embellishment kit. And glassine bag with more journaling. And these are the digitals journaling cards that I printed for her. So I have them like this, so it will show on the other side as well. You see the birdies. And another Planner Society pocket, vacation vibes, more journaling cards, and another little card that I made. And I used the Paper Cherries July kit. And this one should be here. Wild and Free. I think why I have this one like that. Oh, it's supposed to be like this. That. And this other one, these are more little cards. Look at this card, how cute. These are from Studio Calico, and we were required to make a tassel that can be part of the book, like as a bookmark or hanging in the junk journal. So I decided just to make a bookmark, and again I use, it's like a shaker bookmark. I use all those papers, and here's the tassel. I think it turned out really cute. So here, tuck spot with the journaling cards. More blank pages so she can write or put pictures or anything. And more little journaling cards. And I created this corner hugger, as you can see. Here's the stitching, and take it easy. And then on the back I have a pineapple and handmade by my name. And these custom made labels, I got them at AprilOlander, and she has an Etsy shop. So this is a junk journal. Yeah, this was my first junk journal, and definitely will not be my last one. I am hooked doing this, and you will see more videos coming up on doing probably junk journals are like in the smaller side. Oh, talking about size, I never mentioned how the size of the junk journal. So the journal is 6 by 9.5, so it's almost like a TN, and the width of the junk journal, it was like 2.5 inches. So it's because it had 3 signatures, and I created that way so she can even add more things and make it bulky, so it doesn't look like an alligator mouth like this. So as you can see, the signatures just fitted there perfectly, and with some of the things that I put on, and she can even add more and make it bulky and still will be good. So yeah, so this was my junk journal. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.